Finally, the top alcohol stove is the Trangia Spirit Burner. Whether it's for a leisurely weekend activity or a survival situation, reliability is key with alcohol stoves, and for that, you need the original. Trangia was the first to make alcohol stoves, and they still make the best today. The Trangia design is amazingly efficient and only requires you to fill the reservoir with alcohol and light it in some way to get the stove cooking. This easy-to-use feature puts it above some of the other models available. Even better, in summer, you can even add a little water to the fuel to lower the amount of soot it produces and reduce fuel usage. However, it's not recommended you do this in cold climates, as it reduces evaporation and will be harder to light. Yet, it's still a great option to have when you're backpacking. In addition to that, this stove is just really well made and has a high quality seal, so you can leave the alcohol on the stove while traveling and not worry about it leaking. This also allows you to save a little more, because you won't have to dump out the fuel after every use. Moreover, with dimensions are 2.85 by 1.75 inches and weighing only 4 ounces, you can fit this handy little stove in the pocket of a backpack and have it out and ready for making a hot cup of tea or coffee in no time. It's worth mentioning here that the stove does not come with a pot stand or windscreen, but you can purchase each of these extra items for very little or, in a pinch, even make your own out of an old tin can. Regardless, this unit is still the best made on the market. The Trangia burns a range of different types of alcohol. Some of the most popular include ethanol, denatured alcohol, methanol, and isopropanol, among other types. All of them work well, so you can simply choose the ones that are most widely available or cheapest in your area. Additionally, the Trangia has a few benefits over some of the other alcohol stoves available, including a brilliant yet straightforward simmer ring that allows for highly adjustable and far more intricate simmer ability. Finally, this unit requires very little maintenance because it is constructed out of solid brass. Although it may not be as fancy as some, the durability, dependability, quick setup, and ease of use put it in the top spot today. Its pros are, its easily controllable flame allows for perfect simmering, it has a super durable brass construction, it provides an easy setup with minimal prep time, and it grants the peace of mind thanks to its proven reliability. However, it may need a couple of accessories to be perfect for every situation. The Trangia Spirit Burner has been around a long time and has proven itself as a reliable alcohol stove for many different environments. It's highly recommended for any outdoor enthusiast in need of a long-lasting and efficient camp stove. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.